In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Outlook with Zoho Mail. Synchronizing your email accounts can seem daunting, but with these simple steps, you'll have it set up in no time. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to log into your Zoho Mail account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look towards the top of your screen for the settings icon, which usually resembles a little cogwheel. Give it a click to open the settings menu. This menu is your gateway to all sorts of configurations you can make within your Zoho Mail account. Next, you'll want to direct your attention to the Send Mail As option within the settings menu. This feature allows you to customize how your emails are sent and received. Once you're on that page, you will see an option labeled External from Addresses. Click on that, as this is where you'll be able to manage the external email addresses you wish to sync with your Zoho Mail account. Now, it's time to add Outlook to your external addresses. Look for the Add button, which is typically easy to spot, and click on it. When you do this, Zoho will prompt you to choose the type of account you want to add. For our purposes, you'll select Outlook. Once you've chosen Outlook, you'll need to type in a display name. The display name is how the recipient will see your name when they receive an email from you. Whether it's your full name or perhaps your company's name, make sure it reflects who you are or what your business represents. After entering your display name, it's time to input your Outlook email address. This step is crucial as it tells Zoho which Outlook account to link up with. Now, click on Authenticate. This function is essentially asking Outlook for permission to connect with Zoho. You're almost there. For authentication, you'll be prompted to type in your Outlook email once more. Double-check for any typos because this is the crucial part of ensuring connectivity. Once typed, click Next to advance to the password screen. Enter your Outlook password, taking care to ensure all characters are correct. This avoids any hiccups during the login process. Finally, after inputting your password, click on Next again. At this point, your Outlook and Zoho accounts should be in sync. Congratulations! You've successfully linked your Outlook and Zoho Mail accounts. By following these steps, you should now find that emails from your Outlook account will seamlessly appear in Zoho Mail. This synchronization not only saves you time, but also helps keep all of your correspondence in one easily accessible place. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial was both helpful and easy to follow. See you in the next video.